Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'll show you how can you remove age restriction on X or Twitter. So if you have entered your birth date mistakenly while creating your account and now it shows that you are underage and you cannot view specific content on Twitter, in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. First, open Play Store or App Store. Search for X and make sure we have the app updated to the latest version for everything to work properly. After that, you can quit. Now open Twitter, make sure you are logged in, then tap on your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen right here. From here, tap on your profile to open profile of course. And then here we are. Now tap on Edit Profile, this button in the right side of the screen. And then from here is your birthday. Go ahead and tap on your birthday right there. Then from this window, just tap on Edit. And here guys, you can go ahead and change your birthday and basically correct it and tap on Continue in the top right corner to save the changes. Just like that. Now from here you can quit. Your birthday will change, but not the restrictions. Let's go ahead and see how can we turn off content restrictions on Twitter. Tap right here in the top left corner from the main screen, and then tap on Settings and Supporting the bottom, and then tap on Settings and Privacy right under it. So from Settings, go ahead and tap on Privacy and Safety, then go ahead and tap on Content you see, and here make sure the first toggle right here is turned on. Now again tap on Search Settings in the bottom. Then make sure this toggle in the top is turned off and you should be good to go. And that is it for this video. Thank you very much for watching and see you in another video.